Okay, so I'm gonna make a video for the sound of the ED ending. Unfortunately, the ED ending does not sound like that id sound. Mostly you're gonna hear t or d, ch, t, or d. And I'm really sorry about that, but that's just American English. Um, I always tell my students the first step is to understand what you're hearing. If you make a mistake and add that id sound where it's not needed, like instead of cook, if you say cooked and not cooked, that's not a problem because we'll understand what you're saying. But the first step is you being able to hear what we're saying with those sounds. So here we go. All right, sounds of the ed ending for the past tense. If the verb ends with ce, ch, f, gh, k, p, s, sh, or x, the ed ending will make a t sound. So here we go. Raced, placed, spaced, juiced. Raced, placed, spaced, juiced. Watched, switched, touched. Watched, switched, touched. Stuffed, bluffed, stuffed, bluffed. Laughed, coughed, laughed, coughed. Talked, worked, checked. Talked, worked, checked. Stopped, grasped, chipped. Stopped, grasped, chipped. Bust, kissed. Bus, kiss, bust, kissed. Washed, pushed, washed, pushed. Fixed, boxed, fixed, boxed. Verbs that end with B, G, or GE, L, M, N, R, VE, W, Y, Z. The ED ending will make what I call a lazy D sound like D, D. We have rubbed, grabbed, rubbed, grabbed, bagged, bugged, bagged, bugged, judged, engaged, judged, engaged, pulled, enrolled, pulled, enrolled, hummed, steamed, hummed, steamed. Burned, listened, burned, listened, cheered, roared, cheered, roared, loved, saved, loved, saved, bowed, sewed, bowed, sewed, buzzed. One thing to note is that verbs that end with se have a z sound, not an s sound. Like we have raise and poise. What that z? Raise, poise. So it's going to be raised, poised, raised, poised. So the only letters uh, that the ed ending will make the extra syllable id sound are T and D. We have want, wanted, want, wanted, hate, hated, hate, hated, need, needed, need, needed, decide, decided, decide, decided. But again, like I said, the first step is knowing what you hear from us. If you say like instead of talk, instead of talked, you say talked, we'll know what you're saying. Okay. The first step is to say know what you're hearing, and then making those sounds. So I hope this helps. We'll see you in class.